Sean the sheep started broiler farming, but all the broilers died. Sean the sheep is crying, "Ooh!" Are you tired of walking into your poultry pen only to find your healthiest, fastest-growing broilers lying dead on the floor? It's frustrating, expensive, and heartbreaking. While factors like nutrition, metabolic disorders, and stocking rates play a role, there are two silent killers that can wipe out your flock with zero symptoms of illness. Today, on Chicken Grow, we are diving deep into heat stress and sudden death syndrome, SDS. I'm going to show you exactly how to identify, manage, and prevent these conditions before you lose another bird. Before we start, if you want to master the art of poultry farming and keep your flock thriving, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss our weekly guides on profitable chicken farming. Let's talk about the first major challenge: heat stress. This is a global struggle for broiler farmers. When birds get too hot, you'll notice increased panting and massive water intake. If not managed, death follows quickly. Here are 6 proven ways to manage heat stress in your flock. Number 1. Ventilation is key. Airflow at the bird's level is the secret to removing body heat. When building your pen, include plenty of windows. You can also use fans to create mechanical airflow. Pro tip: use aluminum or asbestos for roofing to deflect heat. But be extremely careful with asbestos as it poses health risks. Number 2. Smart feeding schedules. Do not feed your birds during the hottest part of the day. Give them 60% of their feed in the cool morning. Then withdraw the feeders 6 hours before the afternoon peak. Reintroduce the remaining 40% once the temperature drops. Number 3. Water management. During heat waves, a chicken's water intake can quadruple. Ensure you have enough drinkers and keep the water cool. If the water is warm, add ice cubes to encourage them to drink more. Number 4. Electrolytes. Heat stress causes birds to lose vital minerals. Add electrolytes to their drinking water for 3 days, starting before the heat wave hits. Number 5. Vitamin supplementation. Boosting their diet with vitamins A, E, and B complex is highly effective at reducing heat-related mortality. Number 6. Proper stocking density. Don't overcrowd your pen. Congested spaces lead to piling and stampedes, especially if there is sudden noise. Keep your density manageable to allow for proper cooling. We've covered heat stress, but the next condition, sudden death syndrome, is even more mysterious. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to other farmers who might be losing their birds right now. Also, comment below, "No more losses," to let me know you're committed to a healthy flock. Now, let's look at the second major killer: sudden death syndrome, SDS, often referred to as a heart attack. This can strike broilers of any age, and often the biggest, healthiest-looking birds are the ones affected. While it's sudden, you can mitigate the risk through these 4 feeding strategies. Number 1. Corn-to-wheat ratio. Use feed with a higher corn-to-wheat ratio. Number 2. Protein and meat meal. Try to use feeds that are lower in meat meal. Also, aim for a protein capacity of 24% rather than 19% to support balanced growth. Number 3. The power of sunflower oil. Ensure your bird's diet contains sunflower oil. It is a fantastic source of unsaturated lipids which can help heart health. Number 4. Mineral balance. Be cautious with mineral levels. SDS is often linked to feeds containing high levels of calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium. Keep these at low, balanced levels. Losing broilers to heat stress and SDS is a challenge, but with the right ventilation, feeding schedule, and nutritional balance, you can protect your investment and see your chicken grow to full maturity. On this channel, we use simple characters to explain hard tricks in poultry farming. Thanks for watching.